Hi, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Chartreuse Swizzle. The Chartreuse Swizzle was first made in 2002 in San Francisco at a bar, I believe it was called Tres Agaves, by Marco D. I don't know how to pronounce his surname, so I'm not even going to attempt it. This is a simple variation on a Rum Swizzle, the Rum Swizzle being a aged Jamaican rum with pineapple juice, fresh lime juice, and Falernum. So the Chartreuse Swizzle simply sees the Chartreuse in place of the rum. Simple. Now, the herbal notes of this French liqueur is going to play really well with the sweet notes of the fresh pineapple juice and the spices of the Falernum. So let's get straight into the drink. It's a swizzle, so it's over crushed ice and swizzled, i.e. stirred. So we're going to start with 37.5 ml of Chartreuse, 1¼ ounces, and then add that straight into your glass. I did see a few recipes out there that do have a little bit of rum in the recipe, but I believe this is closer to the original. Follow that by freshly squeezed pineapple juice, 30 ml, 1 ounce, and 22.5 mils, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. And last ingredient, 15 ml, 1/2 ounce of your Falernum. So as you can see, it's got like a nice green kind of hue to the drink, which is representative of the Green Chartreuse. Next, add crushed ice to your glass. So I'm just going to add about 3/4 so I can swizzle it first before topping it up. So you can get swizzle sticks that are designed to do this, and it's actually the branch of a tree, and it makes it a little bit easier. I feel just stirring is going to be a little bit easier considering I've got a spoon, but you want to add dilution to the drink and frost up the outside of the glass. You probably can't see it on camera, but the outside of the glass has started to frost up, and that's perfect temperature for your drink. And then top it up with the rest of the crushed ice, build a little bit of a mound. Then for garnish, you can either use a pineapple wedge, pineapple spear, fresh lime, maraschino cherry if you like. I'm going to keep it simple with pineapple and lime. Represents exactly what's in the drink. Finish with a straw, otherwise it's going to be impossible to drink. There you have the Chartreuse Swizzle. Cheers. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but this glass is like really frosted up, so frosted up that it's even got little pebbles of ice that have fallen out, and it's literally stuck to the side of the glass. That is exactly what you want when you make a swizzle. Nice and cold, extra dilution, and let's give it a taste. The herbal notes of the Chartreuse play really well. It's like a strong citrusy note as well. I am looking forward to this. It's got a lot of tang to it. It's very citrusy, but herbal at the same time. Yeah, super tangy, super flavoursome. I'd probably consider lowering the citrus just that tiny bit, or going with that other recipe that I came across and adding just like a 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mils of aged rum. But I love this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell button, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.